So, Your Excellency, the quality of data is critical in AI applications as it is used to power smart solutions. Hence, how would Sadaya describe the Kingdom's progress in addressing data quality and fairness, non-biased AI designs, and privacy?
Sure, thank you so much. This is a very important question. Going back to the same topic that I mentioned in the answer of the first question, the National Data Bank, we consolidated data sets from more than 240 governmental giant systems, and the main challenge was the data quality. So we spent a long time analyzing the root causes of those data quality, and eventually we launched the National Data Quality Program. And praise be to God, we have achieved 72% of the data quality amongst all the governmental data sets. This helped a lot in utilizing the real value of those data, and we can depend on those high quality data to be used with our sectors and different, as I mentioned, the centers of excellence. One approach we followed to make sure that each individual can contribute to this effort through our national mobile app, Tawakkalna, we introduce a service where people can go through their educational data to their job data and correct the wrong data. And this is another way of increasing the transparency and fairness. So people can go through their educational history and as well as their job history, and we did this in collaboration with our partner, the Ministry of Education, and also the Ministry of Human Resources, and GOSIA as well. This is also very important to have a full implementation of the Ask for Once policy, or Ask Once policy. The idea behind this is for the governmental entities to ask the individual, the citizen or the resident, to ask him once for their personal data. So other governmental entities can go to the National Data Bank and get the data that's been provided by the individual. Regarding the other part of your question, the fairness and to reduce the bias, basically the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, represented by Sadaya, and in collaboration with UNESCO, we launched the AI ethics principles during the last Global AI Summit last September. So this ethics principles, or AI ethics principle, consists of 7 main principles, including the fairness, the privacy, the explainability and transparency, as well as the accountability and responsibility, social, also reliability and safety. All these 7 principles will be taken into consideration during the implementation of any AI-based solutions with our partners.